Good morning, sir. The name of our project is Orphanage Management System. We belongs to Group 31. Our group members are Bharat, Rokesh, Harshad, Prabhu, and Govardhan. Our working title is Orphanage Management System Smile Foundation. Cause of the project. Orphans are the children who lost their parents or abandoned from the family. They face lot of challenging situations in the society. Orphanages help them by providing shelter, proper food, and education. But all orphanages cannot fulfill all the requirements of the children. The main reason for the children poor nutrition is because orphanages lack with proper fundings and support. Orphans are disturbed mentally due to the absence of their family members. This may affect their overall development. Orphanages cannot afford all huge amounts on medical and higher educations of the orphans. Here onwards, my friend Rokesh will explain.
Thank you, Bharat. Aim of the project. So, to overcome the above discussed problems, our team decided to build a web application which can help the orphanages and support the children and guide the donors, and also instead the process of adoption to the adopters. This orphan home management system will help to improve the performance of the current situation and overcome the problems that arise nowadays. We collaborate with a set of orphanage homes in a specific city and we'll work for them. And me and my teammates decided to add these features to our website. Distribution of surplus food, events, donation, sponsoring and adoption of the orphans, promoting orphan handcraft products, volunteer registrations. And from here onwards, our teammates will discuss about their contribution toward the project.
My contribution towards this project is distribution of the surplus food. We aim to distribute the surplus food to the orphanage if we have excess food from an event, party, or wedding, etc. If there is any excess food in any party, event, or wedding, they can inform the nearby orphanage through our website. If any party wedding is more than 2 kilometers from the nearby orphanage, it will show an alert message stating that party is out of the server. The event organizers can register on our website and they can contact through our helpline numbers for any queries. Our team volunteers will collect the excess food from them and distribute it to the orphans in the orphanages so that we can reduce the food wastage and we can fulfill the stomachs of the orphans in the orphanages. Here onwards, my friend Prabhu will explain.
Thank you, Bharat. My contribution towards the project is events. It is good to celebrate the birthdays, anniversaries, festivals, and such important days in orphanages. It gives the orphans a chance to enjoy and teach themselves. So many people have no idea how to contact orphanages to celebrate the events. Many people have interest to celebrate the important days in the orphanages. Those who are willing to celebrate the important days in the orphanages with the children can register on our website, and our team will schedule the time slot to celebrate the events which are near to the orphanages in that city. Here was my friend Rokesh Lanyo.
Thank you, Prabhu. And my contribution towards the project is donation. Our website provides a very easy and secure payment gateway to the donors who want to donate money to the orphanages. Yeah, transparency is very important nowadays. Our website displays the source of donations and how we use it. A detailed financial progress report with the complete information of expenditure is provided on our website. People who are willing to donate old things like boots, clothes, toys, blankets which are not used in their homes can easily donate it by just filling up a form on our website. From here onwards, my friend Harshit will continue.
Thank you, Rokesh. My contribution towards this project is sponsoring and adoption. Sad reality is we are seeing many orphans on the streets of India. Sponsoring a child is the most effective way to fight against poverty. So, here our website displays each and every child details which makes easy access. And the individuals who are willing to take responsibilities of an orphan can easily register and sponsor through our website. And our website also provides basic guidelines and legal procedure for an adoption of orphans. And And here onwards, my friend Gordon will continue.
Thank you, Harsha. Now, contribution of okay, contribution of my project: promotion of orphan handcraft products. There is a lot of undiscovered talent hidden behind the orphanage children. They do some beautiful handcraft products, but there is a lack of appreciation. In order to encourage their talent, skills, and handcraft, we showcase their work and promote their products on our website. And next feature is volunteering. Citizens who are wishing to serve orphan wholeheartedly and they can easily register through our website and they can serve the orphanage home. Volunteers are deployed in different work like things like books, clothes, toys, etc. from donors, and they can searching for shelterless children and servicing in orphanage homes. Bharat will continue next.
Software components of our project. HTML, CSS, and JavaScript will be used as front-end languages, and we will use React as a front-end framework. We will use Python, JavaScript as back-end language, and we will use Django as a back-end framework. We will use MySQL as a database. Next, my friend Harshad will explain about work division.
Thank you, Bharat. And here our work allotment. Work is divided equally among us in such a way that all software components have particular features like front end, back end, and MySQL database. And the feature of distribution of surplus food. Here, Bharat will take care of front end and Harshad will take care of back end. And the future events. Lokesh will take care of back end and Prabhu will take care of front end. And the future donation. Rokesh will take care both front end and back end parts, and Gordon will handle back end part. And the future sponsoring and adoption of a child. Here, Harshit will take care both front end and back end parts, and Prabhu will handle back end part. And the final feature, volunteering and promotions. Here, Bharat will take care both front end and back end part, and Gordon will handle front end part. And here onwards, my friend Rokesh will continue.
Thank you, Harshit. And this is a timeline of our project. And on February 10th, our homepage and contact page will be completed. And on Feb 28th, front end part of homepage, that is user and orphanage people interface. And on March 7th, we are going to complete front end part, that is registration forms for distribution of surplus food, donations, and sign up pages and profile management for sponsoring and adoption and volunteering and donations, and form filling for the event celebrating in the orphanages, and form filling for donating old things, and form filling for volunteer registrations. And on March 15th, we are going to complete front end parts for sponsoring and adoption, that is guidelines to adopt a child, and promotion, and for promotions, that is gallery showcasing the artwork of orphans. And for volunteering, we are going to complete display alert message of work to volunteer, and remaining front end part will be completed on March 15th. Now on March 30th, we are going to complete the back end part for the features, distribution of surplus food, events, and donations. And finally on April 15th, we are going to complete back end part of features, sponsoring and adoption, and volunteering. Finally on April 15th, we are going to complete our project, and without any delay we are going to complete on April 15th. So that's our review and that's our presentation. Thank you.
Thank you.